everybody, and welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick easy vegan recipe. This is my vegan fried chicken. I actually made an alkaline version of a vegan fried chicken, and if you're interested, I'm going to link it below in the description box, or I'll probably link it across the screen. But let's get into the video. Right now I'm just cutting the pieces of cauliflower in little pieces, and I'm going to put it in this strainer to rinse it. I like to cut it first, then wash it. Next, you see me making the wet batter, and this is just to help the cauliflower, when I start frying it, is to help it stick to the flour. So as you can see, I have about a half a cup. I'm going to put 2 of these, so it's going to be 1 cup of flour. I add a little extra. I usually just eyeball it. Next, I'm going to add some unsweetened almond milk. And you want to do equal parts, so I'm putting 2 half a cups, which is 1 cup. And I'm mixing it up, and you want it to be like a pancake batter almost. So you don't want it to be too thick, but then you don't want it to be too thin. If it's too thick, just add a little bit more almond milk. If it's too thin, you just add a little bit more flour. Next, I'm just adding some seasoning, and I use paprika, a little bit of cayenne pepper, some onion powder, and some sea salt. And I believe I use some garlic powder too. And then I'm just dipping it in the wet batter first, and then I'm going to dip it in the dry batter. And you want to make sure it's really good. And I didn't show myself doing it, but I did double batter it. Make sure that you double batter it. So after I put this flour on it, I'm going to dip it in the wet batter again, and then dip it in the dry batter again. And right now you see me frying it. And then you just want to flip it over, make sure it's fried really good, and then flip it over. I use some, what did I use? I use grapeseed oil. I usually use grapeseed oil, either avocado oil. And I just flipped it. And now I just plated everything, and I just added some green beans, mashed potatoes, and a biscuit. And that was the finished result. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next video.